Okay, so welcome back to Foxtecc, and today we're gonna be talking about how you can remove frequently visited section from Safari on your iPhone. This frequently visited section is part of Safari's suggestions designed to make your browsing easier. However, I understand that not everyone is a fan of this feature, so I'm here to show you how you can turn it off completely. These suggestions appear when you open a new tab in Safari, aiming to make navigations quicker. Personally, I don't like it either, so that's why I have it turned off completely. As you can see on my screen, there's nothing but the search bar and white background. That's because I've completely removed the suggestions, including the frequently visited websites. Firstly, let's locate the edit button. For me, it's very clear and easy to find, but you might need to scroll down a bit to the bottom of the new page to see it. Once you find the edit button, tap on it and this will bring up several toggles. In this menu, you'll see options for various features such as series suggestions, favorites, frequently visited, iCloud tabs, recently closed. For my setup, I have most of these options disabled. I prefer a clean and a distraction-free browsing experience, so I don't have any of these features showing up. I even went as far as deleting the background image to keep it simple with just the white background. Now, for your needs, you might want to tweak these settings differently. To specifically disable the frequently visited section, make sure to toggle off the option, as you can see right here. This will remove the section from your Safari new tab page, and you can leave other options turned on if you find them useful. The important thing is that you know where to manage these settings to customize your browsing experience. So once you have this is essentially everything that you needed to know about it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the next video.